Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Install VS Code and Node.js before you begin. Open VS Code and install Live Server. Install Emmet and Prettier extensions for productive authoring and consistent formatting. Create a project folder called Website and open it in the integrated terminal. Run Git init if you plan to use version control and GitHub. Use the terminal to run simple npm init for package. JSON when you need build tools. Open index HTML and use Emmet abbreviations to scaffold structure quickly. Start a Chatgpt session and describe the site layout and color palette. Ask Chatgpt for an index. HTML template with header, main content, and footer. Request responsive CSS using variables and a 12-column grid with breakpoints at 768 px and 1024 px. Ask for accessible area attributes and semantic HTML elements for screen readers. Request JavaScript snippets for navigation toggles and form validation. Copy the generated code into VS Code and run Live Server at localhost 5500 to preview changes. Initialize a Git repository with Git init and make initial commits in VS Code. Create a GitHub repository and add it as origin using Git remote add origin. Use git add, git commit, and git push to publish your code. For deployment, choose GitHub Pages or Netlify and connect your repo for automatic builds. Configure build scripts such as npm run build if you use bundlers. Iterate with Chatgpt to refactor code, fix accessibility issues, and improve performance metrics like Lighthouse scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.